How's the job been so far, Frank?
It's good. This is actually entertaining, at least. I've got my exhaust brake doing its job right now.
Is that the missile plant over there?
It must be.
So, yeah, we're going down this big hill, and I can tell.
This is like a 10% grade. You can probably hear my engine purring.
Yeah.
Should ease off.
And you can see the back of the mountain right there.
White Sands Missile Range, U.S. Army. Oh wow.
Right. Cool. That's
The
it.
grade keeps on grading.
Alamogordo.
Alamogordo. We're gonna be right near the White Sands
We don't have much time left.
National Park.
43 minutes.
I bet when we come around this corner right here, you'll probably even be able to see some white sands.
Okay.
My prediction. You heard it here first. So we were excited to get to Alamogordo, and we were spending a couple nights at this harvest house, which just so happened to be a golf course, which was right up my alley. Although I didn't have a chance to play, it was still nice to hang out, check out the restaurant, pro shop. My arm's been kind of messed up, so I didn't really get to hit any balls or anything, but maybe next time. It's really cool that these establishments allow people like us that travel full time to be able to stay for free in their parking lot or on their land. What a perk. Hey there, how are you? Doing
Good.
great.
Have a great day, okay?
Thank you.
too. Thanks.
All right. Somebody built a sandcastle. Oh, how did
Hey y'all. So we are at White Sands National Park here in Alamogordo, New Mexico. Is actually where we're staying. This is about, I don't know, 20 minutes outside of town between Las Cruces, New Mexico and Alamogordo.
We're here with a lot of other people.
There's a ton of people here, but there's dunes and dunes as far as the eye can see. We don't have a sled.
We're gonna ask to borrow someone's just for one sled ride.
Yeah. One thing I learned, interesting fact, is that while these dunes do change and whatever with the wind and rain, they're anchored because there's a water table here that's very shallow, and so the dunes don't like just blow away. They stay here, but they do transform.
And it was the most, what was the word? The starts with a G.
Gypsum?
Uh-huh.
It's a large gypsum deposit, and I guess it used to be a large seabed, and this is where all the gypsum and sand, salt, whatever deposits form. But anyway,
Let's go borrow somebody's sled.
that's what we're doing. Jennings is real excited about the sand. Anyway, it's pretty cool. If you haven't been, you should come one day and check it out. All right. All right, come on. Yeah, just come on. Just go. Pick your feet up. Pick your feet up. Wow. Yeah.
Did you take pictures?
I got you on video.
Video?
You want to do it one more time?
Largest pistachio. Are you ready? We want to share it with you. I don't have to get on it.
It's Pistachio land. Yeah, I'm not gonna pull in there. Well, there it goes.
There it goes.
World's largest pistachio.
We've seen.
All right, heading to see aliens and UFOs.